Yo guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to play Shadow Fight 2. So guys, here is our master Sensei. He's saying, well my vein disip what's that? Discipline whatever has returned. Oh, it's at whoever is our enemy means it's his name. So has returned and without a body, it seems. How unfortunate for you. Okay, more continue. Okay, so like this we will do like this, like this, like this. Now what more? Oh, okay, fantastic. Now see, impressive. But a bag cannot defend itself. Let's see how you fare against my discipline, Kenji. Okay. Oh, here is Kenji. Okay. Okay, now our master said that we have to defeat it by punching practicing back, by pulling it. Nothing will happen. We have to show our power to our master Sensei. He wants to see our. Oh, no. Yes. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, wow. What? Very badly, our shadow is beating Kenji. Our shadow is very powerful. Our master Sensei doesn't know this, that we are very powerful. Now round 2 is there now. No, first I will go like this. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. What a kick. Okay. Kick him. Now like this. Now this. Oh, mighty kicks. Nice. Our shadow killed that Kenji in 20 seconds only. So we got 78 rupees. Okay. And we got 9 gems also. Okay. In weapons, we will go in weapons. So we will buy this now. In this form you can't die. Thus, I suggest you challenge one of the demons now. Links. Oh, okay. So now we will go here. Fight. Who is this lowly worm before me? Oh, yes. I remembered that in last we have to kill Lynx. I think I'll not waste my time fighting the likes of you. More. Here Shen, the weakest apprentice in my order. First defeat him if you can. Perhaps then will you have the honor of fighting me. Oh, so he's challenging that we have to kill. Who is this? We have to kill Shane. If we are defeated by Shane, so then Lynx will means what we say. Oh wow, what a kick! Oh no. Oh yes. I think that Shin is only killing us, but we are killing him. Wow. Okay, one more time now. Kill him. Kill him. We are going to kill him. Yes. Lynx said us that we have to defeat him. If we are defeated by Shen, so the Lynx will will this that we are a loser. But we are not a loser. Our shadow is very powerful. But we have to upgrade his this also. What? His health also. Oh wow. We gave a head this. What? Max combo shock 0 rupees. Okay, we got 100 rupees. Okay, I'm the leader of the association order. You are not worthy of fighting me. At least your battle with Shin was entertaining. Oh, he is thinking that we are a loser and we cannot fight with him. Okay, so she's May. Hi, my name is May. I am the local weapons and armor expert, the best in these climbs. Can I work with you? Of course. Okay. Okay, more. Okay. So now we will fight. Now we will go in a tournament. Monkey. This is Monkey. I know. So we will fight with Monkey. Okay, okay. Let's fight. I am so excited. I will defeat Monkey. Wow. In starting only we oh no, damaged her health. Oh, but she is also a nice fighter, but not powerful than our shadow. Oh, we killed her in 19 seconds. Okay, yeah. What? What are you understand? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Okay. Okay, now one more attack on monkey and monkey will die. Oh yes. This time we killed in I don't know. We got 49 rupees or 50 rupees. You are awesome. Earn coins in the tournament so you can buy new gear. Yes, I know that we can buy new weapons. So I want this weapon firstly. Okay, learn this. See, I want this weapon. Oh, I cannot. Why I can't go in the weapon section? Oh, he's saying show. Oh, nice move. I want to go in weapons first. Yes. See, I want to buy this. Means long time ago, before 1 months, I was playing Shadow Fight 2 only, and I purchased this. This was my what weapon, but I uninstalled Shadow Fight 2. Okay, nothing. We will purchase that weapon again. So first we will fight now. Okay, with we will links. No. Okay, first we will fight. And oh, Thorn. She is also a very good fighter and she is powerful also. But we have to defeat her. I know there are round 2, so we will not show our moves to Thorn and we will play like this only. Let her kill us in round 1. In round 2, we will show her our moves. Okay. What is she doing? She is wasting time only. She can't kick me also. What? She is only going back and what? Throwing me on the ground. See, like this only. Okay. Fast. Kill me. We will not do anything. Okay, we will do like this only. Okay, yes, just one more move. What is she doing? Oh, we damaged her health only. Oh no, I have means not too many. I have health only little bit, and she is acting like a fool. She is not kicking me and attacking me also. So now we will show her our moves. Time to show our moves. Okay, yes. What a punch. What a punch. Oh no, she kicked us. But nothing, we will damage her health more. Oh yes. Now she is killed. Means she is dead. Round 3. Oh no, round 3 is also there. Now she know our moves. Nothing will happen. Oh no, 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 no. She's damaging our health. Oh, what? Our health is so much damaged. Kill her, kill her. I'm not going to leave her. Oh, okay, kill her, kill her. No, 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 no. No, I'm dead. I lost this match. I lose this match. Zero money. I only got 5 rupees. Retry. We will retry. Thorn. Okay, in first round only we will attack, but not so much. See, like this. First we will attack. Oh no, she's not giving us a chance to attack her. Oh, yes. Oh no, 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 no. Her health is more than ours. What shall we do now? Okay, her health. Our shadow is damaging her health. Oh yes! We killed her. But there is, I think in this round there will be no round 3. Oh, she lost her weapons only. Oh, our shadow attacked very fast and she lost her weapons only. What a attack. Mind blowing. Mind blowing. Oh, oh no, 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 no. Yes. Now we will attack like this. Oh, why shadow is not? Oh, yes. No, don't round 3. No, no, no. Yes, we won. Now one more round. Do you like shadow fight too? Yes. Now they will say rate us later. So we will fight again. Oh, this time is Jester. Jester is powerful than Thorn. Okay. But he has our means which weapons we have, he have that weapons only. Oh no. He can't defeat us. Oh yeah. Oh, oh ho, oh ho, oh ho, oh ho. Oh ho. He think that he is over smart. Oh no, we are dying. Great. We were just dying but we killed Jester. Close call. Okay, round 2. I don't want round 3. Oh, what? We lost our weapons by his attack. Now I'm very angry on him. So I will kill him very badly. We are going to lose this, I think, because our health is so much this. What? Our health is so much damaged and his health is so much. Kill him. Please. Oh, round 3 is there. Okay, now. Okay. Oh, yeah. Now, like this. What? His health is so much damaged. Oh, no. Okay, one more. Yes. One more, shadow. One more. Yes. One more powerful attack we want and we will kill him. Oh, our health and his health is same only, but we killed him. He's dead. Die hard fighter. We are a die hard fighter. We got total 135 rupees. Okay. So now we will check if there is any money to buy any powerful weapon. Oh no, we can't unlock this because we have to first purchase this. I will try if we have to purchase this only and this, then we will get this, or we have means not that much money. We will play 1 or 2 matches, so we will have 512 this money. So we will play one more fight. Okay, this time is Iron. He don't have any weapons. He has a tattoo on his back. Okay. Oh, he killed him. He damaged our health in his first attack only. What? Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Our health is so much damaged. But there will be round 2 also. So we don't need to worry if we lose this round only. Okay, we are dead. We lost this round, but there is round 2 also. So like this we will do. First we will kick him, fall, and then we will attack by our hands. Then one more time our hands will help us, means our sword. Wow, this spinning attack is nice. Oh wow, we have damaged his health so much. Okay, he is going to die only in 5-4 attacks. Okay, one more attack, one more powerful attack, one more attack, one more attack. Oh, we are missing. Our means we our attacks are not hurting him. What, he gave us very powerful attack. Okay. What is happening? Okay, one more attack. What, he killed us? He killed us. But we were just close to kill him. We will retry. Okay. So in round 1 I will not do anything, and then he will think that we are means we are not very powerful. So in round 1 we will stand like this only, like a statue. We will attack him 2-3 times. Oh wow. When we don't want to attack, his health goes so much, and we want to attack, and when we want to attack and win the match, his health doesn't go so much. Oh, we lost our weapons only. We are equal now. He also don't have any weapon, and we also don't have any weapon. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh. Our shadow is killing very badly. We are dead. Okay. Now in round 2, we are going to kill this man killing us, and we are losing matches. But this time this will not happen. Okay. Ho. We attacked on his leg only. His leg was upside, and we attacked on his leg only. Okay, give him an attack. Oh, you are trying to act over smart. Okay, Iron is dead now. Oh, round 3 is there. I don't want round 3. But there is round 3. He attacked us. Wait, you Iron. I think his name is Iron because I think he's made of irons only. Because our health is going so fast, and his health, nothing is happening to him. What? Go, 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 go. You are gone. Oh, no. We are dead. See, we cannot win with iron. I think so. But we will win. We have to store. We have to take a weapon. Oh, we will take a suit. 630, 150. Bye. And we will take. No, I don't need weapon. I want to take that big sword weapon. So first we will fight again. Okay, with iron only. Okay, okay, okay. We have not defeated him. Okay, we are also wearing a suit and he is also wearing a suit. Oh, my shadow is not attacking. Oh, wait. Wow, what a attack. In this round we are going to kill him. Oh, he's at. Oh, oh, oh. Wow, this is a great match. Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, our health is too much this time. Oh, but oh, what's happening? Oh, no. Round 2 is there. Round 2. Round 2. I'm going to win. I am going to win. He kicked us. Okay. He kicked us. And now we are going to smash him. Wow. Wow. But every time this happens, our health is too much and his health is so low. But that time also we lose the match. Oh, nice attack he gave us. Oh, yes. He is dead. Oh, this round 3. Okay, whose health? Our health is damaged so much. Okay, we have to give him very powerful attack. He's only giving us powerful attack. Oh wow. Nice attack our shadow gave to him. Oh 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 no 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 no. Okay. Okay, one more. Oh, oh yes. This time I will not spare him. This time I am going to kill him. Yes. We defeated him. Now guys, for today it's all. Now we will meet in next video, and in next video also we will continue shadow fight 2. So for today it's all. We will meet in our next video. Till that time, bye bye.